Filmora video editing software, any version. Installation in your system, Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating system. Explain. Filmora installation. Desktop Windows search box lo enter control panel. First one, control panel option select. Programs and features option select. Scroll down. Wondershare Filmora application related software select. Mouse right click. Uninstall options click. User account control window lo first button yes click. Task manager Wondershare Filmora icon click. Could you tell us why you uninstalled Filmora? Last one option other select. First button continue click. Are you sure you want to remove Wondershare Filmora? First button remove click. Section lo installation process start. Wait and here few minutes. Browser close. Successfully uninstalled. Done button click. Control panel window reopen. Second one, Wondershare need to push build. Select mouse right click, uninstall click. User account control window lo first button yes click. Wondershare need to push uninstall window lo first button yes click. Installation completely OK click. In case third one, Wondershare Help Center install in your system. Third one app uninstall. Control panel window close. Desktop keyboard shortcut key window key plus R key. Press run command window display. Enter the command percentage app data percentage. Enter this command in box. First button OK click. Wondershare folder select open. Application related all folders. Back to arrow click. Wondershare folder select. Mouse right click. Delete icon click. Wondershare folder select. Mouse right click. Delete key press. Left side this PC option select. First one new volume C select open. Users folder select to open. Second one public folder select to open. First one public documents folder select to open. Wondershare folder select mouse right click. Fourth one icon delete click. Folder close. System restart must. Now